Uṣṭrāsana, Camel Pose. Sit in Vajrasana, toes together and heels apart. Slowly stand on your knees, keeping the legs hip distance apart and toes pointing out. As you breathe in, lift both your hands from the front, and while breathing out, place them on the soles of your feet one by one. Breathe in. Push your torso forward by squeezing your glutes. Open your chest by focusing on the middle back. Stay here for a few normal breaths. As you breathe out, slowly release the posture. Return to the initial position and relax. Ustrasana stimulates the thyroid gland, activates and enhances brain cells, and improves the flexibility of the neck, back, shoulders, arms, and chest muscles. The expansion of the thorax results in the strengthening of chest muscles, improving breathing and lung capacity. This asana is especially beneficial to people with back pain and all kinds of respiratory disorders like bronchitis and asthma. It stretches the pelvic region and also relieves females from menstrual pain.